Hi folks, Mark Powell again, Q Master Pool School. Let's talk about the bridge arm, okay? This is where I'm a right-handed player, bridge arm's my left arm. And if I come down and that arm is too straight, like this, problem with this is first of all, there's nothing contacting the cloth here. Puts a lot of pressure on the trapezius here. There's a lot of instability, right? Other thing is my shoulder is now encroaching upon my head. It's now entering my vision center. So what I'd really like to do is drop this down, okay? Notice when I do that, that relieves this, right? Now I come down over the shot far more accurately, less tension, right? So if you can put a little bend in your arm and just come down with your forearm, the whole forearm right on the table, and sometimes you can't do that, but try it anyway. I think it's really going to help your accuracy in the long run. Thanks for watching. This is Mark Powell, Q Master Pool School.